Good morning, BNI.
Good morning.
Celebrating Diwali today in our chapter BNI Crown. Can we give a round of fantastic applause for this? Life is a celebration and you have to live every moment with passion and excellence. And all of us sitting here as business owners, we all know that the purpose of business is to create customers. If precisely create happy customers. Am I right in saying?
Yes.
And the measure of the success of happy customers is customer satisfaction. So how do we measure customer satisfaction is the way in which they do repeat business with us or give us a lot of referrals over here. And each and every BNI member sitting over here, we consider everybody as our referral partners, as our sales ambassadors for our own business over here. And on this occasion of Diwali, we all know that we celebrate Diwali in this part of the world, that killing an Asura, Lord Krishna, made this as one of the most celebrated occasions moment in our life. Am I right?
Yes.
You know, every day if it's a celebration like this, every week we have a celebration like this, each and everybody's passion to do the business will enhance multiple times, provided we kill the Asura inside us also. It's an analogy directly to some of the Asura which we all have within these 2 years. There is one big Asura, not the Narakasura. I'm talking about one Asura inside us which kills us not to grow the business and make it as a celebration. That name of the Asura is called Assumption Asura, which stays between both the ears. We end up in making enough assumptions in our BNI meetings. If you look very deeply, when you stand up and do your 30-second presentation, we end up in assuming that all the referral partners in our chapter understand everything about my business. We end up in assuming my own ask or the referral that we are asking for. And when we want to invite visitors to our chapter, we end up in assuming, will he come? Will he be useful to the chapter? Or will he get a business? We end up in making enough assumptions in our life. Even when we are talking to our referral partner, we always end up in assuming, will he give me referrals? Can I build relationship with this particular person? Is it worth doing it? So too much of assumption that happens between these 2 years. And on the occasion of this Diwali, it is right and appropriate that not only we kill the Narakasura and celebrate, this Asura also has to be killed. And make the business as a joyous occasion, make each and every movement we do business as a celebration over here. Possible?
Yes.
So it means each one of us work towards unity and bonding over here. And today in Facebook I have already posted one amazing article on 3 R's of reference. How many of you read the article? Okay, very few. My request to you is successful leaders or learners continuously. So get into the habit of continuous learning process. Thereby that learning and the knowledge that you get helps you to kill the Asura inside you. The assumption Asura. Thereby we can build quality relationship with everybody. The 3 R's which I posted today stands for, if I want more referrals in the chapter, step 1 I have to kill the assumption and build quality relationship. Because only with quality relationship it's possible for us to get more referrals. So the first R is all about building strong relationship because the other referral partner is risking his reputation and giving you the referral. So if he has to risk his reputation and give you a quality referral, that is possible only when we kill the assumption Asura inside us and build stronger and deeper relationship with each other. So let's not just stay with one day of Diwali celebration. I think the next 1 full year, each and every week we come over here should be like a Diwali celebration with full of amazing success stories happening in BNI Crown. Possible?
Yes.
And also I think at the end of the meeting something very unique is going to come called CPL, Crown Premier League. We are going to start. Okay, I think Bala is going to come over here and he is going to share what Crown Premier League BNI game is all about. And this one game, if we play it correct from today onwards, which will kill all the assumptions within us, kill all the Asuras within us, and ensures that we bond together as one team, we build very strong relationship within each other, and we will risk our reputation because we have bond very good, and all our referrals will go up. It means our profitability will go up. So can we all kill the assumption Asura?
Yes.
And build quality relationship?
Yes.
Okay, so the last 6 months We have done 1 crore rupees of business by killing many asuras within us. And the next 6 months, we have a huge target of 5 crores. Am I right? 6 crores, sorry. So it means next 6 months we are going to make a 6 crore chapter, and let's all work together as one team and make 6 crores a possibility. And make every day, every second of our BNI as a celebration. So on this occasion, on behalf of the Executive Directors team, Biju and Suren, and also on behalf of National Director Neeraj Shah, wishing you a prosperous, happy Diwali to everybody. Thank you very much. Thank you.